Well, welcome back to another day with Nacho Stuff. We have had a complete failure this morning. We decided to do a little prospecting, and it was a total bust. And that's the way it goes sometimes. So Thursdays when I come out to play in Kevin's area, so I decided to try a different route, and it was a bust. It was a bust and a half. I didn't find a piece of scrap. And now I've been out here for a good 40 minutes and haven't found anything out here either until I found this big old fuel tank. I think these are like, this one doesn't have a hole in it either. I don't know, some people said I could, that one that I got from that one guy, he guys said I could sell these. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to ask. I don't know. This I picked up last night on the way to the store. So this is our only thing so far today. This is gonna take a whole bunch of space up too. Seeing that we haven't found anything else to this point, I'm happy to have her. Hoo-yah! So hopefully something changes. Or we're gonna have a dismal little load going here. But we got a beautiful day, so I've had some wonderful drive time. So there's that. So let's drive around and see if we can find some treasures. The pick and pile, maybe. The pick and pile. Come on, baby. Let's go. So I done snuck into this gated community again. I think Kevin's got the code to get in here. But yeah, a stroller's been left behind, or a pack and play, or whatever you are. You gonna fold it one more time? Yes. All right, you can go on this side. Keep my brother from rolling around. Get up there. Okay. Hoo-yah! Onward. Cha-ching. Got ourselves a corded vacuum. We'll take that. New vacuum count. Finally, another bit. Not much of a bit, but a bit. You're not wood, are you? Okay, you're good. You are metal. You are wood, though. Come on, let go. Oh my gosh. Where's all the scrappy scraps at? Hope Kevin didn't get on. Well, I done run into Kevin, and he has been out here since the crack of dawn. Still empty, man. This was empty last week too. And so he's run everything that I haven't run, and the garbage men are out killing us today. So we're going to go over and do some scrounging and see if we can pick up something. He didn't have a whole lot either. Just one of them days. Let's go see if we can scrounge up some scraps in the dead end streets. The bad man. Where my pictures at?
Oh, you know what? You know what?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So I'm like, no. I'm like, I said, the guy want to buy. He don't want to buy. He's like, no. She's like, no.
Yeah. No worries. Hey, you got a bag for Uber Eats?
A bag?
A bag to keep your food warm in?
Oh, yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
All right, I found one yesterday. I was going to give it to you. Yeah.
Oh, let me see. I might need another one because sometimes we get over a good amount. Ooh, yeah! Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, we don't have one this big.
All right.
And then when we get pieces and stuff,
Yeah.
we don't have no batteries, but it's perfect.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man, it is, man. It is hard to know what's up. Like,
Yeah, no, it's Kevin. I ran into Kevin. He was like almost empty. I found a couple of things he left behind because he's like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I'm like, I'm just picking up whatever you didn't pick up.
we found, only thing we found pretty much was one of those files.
Yeah.
Those files.
It's been light out here, man. Not even a lot of wood.
Not even wood.
No. All right, man.
But if we see anything that's not, it's like, you know, I know you can see anything.
Right.
But if we see anything off the way,
All right, bro.
all right.
Have a good one, man.
All right, no problem.
All right. Got to grease the wheels of the G-Man. I think he'd get more use out of that bag than I would. I was gonna save it for my groceries, but I think that he'll be much more appreciative. He does Uber Eats when he's not collecting garbages. So we'll take care of him. He takes care of us. Let's go. Well, this is the last of the dead-end streets. Looks like we have another, what is like 7-Up looking chairs. This is the same kind of chair that 7-Up one was, but it's not. Are you metal? You might be. Yeah, metal table. Whoosh. Come on, you're all coming. You're all coming with me. Oh my gosh, what a day. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna scrounge next. I was hoping these dead ends would have a little bit more stuff. Oh, we can't go to the yard with just this little stuff. What is this? It's a light. It's a fancy looking light. Onward! Here on the main strip. We're just gonna park, grab. We'll take what we find. Oh, and this is a fan, folks. If you didn't know, we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. Even if it's the small morsels we're finding today. So make sure to smash the thumbs up. Hashtag fan of a fan. Another last minute fan. We'll take it. We'll take it. We will. Oosh. It's a pretty sad looking load here, folks. I don't know about worst day ever, but certainly far from exciting. Shortest scrap video ever. And look at this. Someone done threw an American flag in here. Rude. I'll just take that piece too, because that is not cool at all. I talked to my mower guy. He said that he's got a guy that might want this tank. So we're gonna keep that. Just want to throw a cage to a airboat. You'd think that'd be worth more than scrap. I would. Yeah. I'm gonna break that down before I go see Jeff. Dude, you're in the lake. what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the house and break some stuff down or get some stuff listed, one of the two. Make productive use of my afternoon. Because I got baseballs tonight. Hoo-yah! Alright guys, how many pounds do we get today? I'm saying not very many. I'm saying not very many at all. Alright, let's go see Jeffy. And another quick trip to the Jeffster. What's up, crazy Cuban? I got a motor.
Yeah.
I got clean aluminum. I gotta see if this thing's broken or not. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I wanna see if this is broken or not.
Oh, shut up.
That looks good. We're gonna keep that. That's still in working condition.
He has to talk to. Every customer, no, they literally do. He's got like a line of dudes. He comes up, he's sitting there, looks up here like, oh yeah, you talk about scrap. I like scrap metal. Yeah, I love scrap. You got copper? You got copper today? Oh, I know you live right next to me. You talked to at least 4 customers today. Oh, name them. Name them. All of this and Nacho.
Oh my gosh, you guys are like an old married couple. You good over here? Yeah? You good?
And then really your chair will be adequate.
Oh! Yeah! See that scrap grab me? Hey, ripped my shirt! I want a refund!
Here, instead of a refund, I'll give you Jeff. No, he's a negative Nancy.
Yeah, it's horrible out there, man. It's horrible, horrible. I got that tank.
1,788 pennies. What are you gonna do with the tank?
My lawnmower guy has a guy that's gonna use it to put old oil in, to store it.
Well, you might be able to make 10, 20 bucks off of it.
We'll see.
Hey, I seen him do that with a wiener once.
Oh, boys.
Happy hunting. Happy hunting.
Yeah, it's pretty horrible stuff, man. Wowza. Okay, I was wrong. Worst day ever. So, I didn't turn that tank in. I messaged some people to see if they thought that it was sellable or not. And when I messaged my mower guy, he's like, I got a guy that wants to have that store oil in or store something in. He's looking for a an inexpensive used tank that he could have at his auto body shop. So we'll see. I don't even know what he would be willing to pay for that, but certainly going to be more than that. I'm going to guess it was no more. It was probably more than 100 pounds, less than 200 pounds. So we'll call it a $10 bill. I think it's gonna be worth more than 10 bucks. So besides that, we're keeping that chair because those beach chairs are nice, and that one has a little awning. Like I kept the 7-Up one, the same thing. That's aluminum. It's gonna last forever. I'm gonna keep it for now, and I don't know. Maybe we'll end up scrapping it at a later date, or maybe we'll sell it or whatever. But we're keeping it for now. So it wasn't gonna weigh much anyways. That would have been dirty aluminum. It's a couple of pounds. We're probably talking less than $1. So today's total, ready? 10. 200 pounds. 6 cents a pound, 12 bucks. Irony light. What did I give him that was light? I don't know. He must have grabbed something out of my trailer that was 1 pound, 20 cents. For 20 cents. Clean aluminum was all the paddles for both the ceiling fans yesterday that I did not turn in. I just wanted to get them out of the back of the truck in the one ceiling fan today. 9 pounds, 40 cents a pound, 360. And electric motor was heavy. I just turned in the one electric motor, I thought, from the ceiling fan. 13 pounds, 18 cents a pound, $2. That's almost like 2 ceiling fan motor. Maybe there was another one back there that I missed. So our grand total for today was $17.88. Not even a $20 bill. But I did this today because people have been asking, how much do you run? What do you do? So today, let's see what we got here. Where are you at? Trip A, today, my run. And I actually probably ran a little bit more today because I did the prospecting, which was a complete failure. And then we ran out where we normally run. And then I drove all the way out to another area to try to find some more stuff. I didn't. Also stopped by a thrift store out there that ended up being closed. That's one place that Kevin said that he donated some clothes. Wanted to, get a bearing on it. So I drove it there. So we drove a total of 47.7 miles today. And our average fuel economy was 13 miles, 0.2. So we'll call it 13 miles. So we'll say that's what, a little over 3 gallons of gas. So even if you round it to $4, we still made money today. So, even on our worst day and our heavier driving, because this is our biggest route day, there's money to be made. So don't let people tell you that you're just burning all your gas money, because you're not. But I didn't say anything to Jeff because I didn't want to get him started. Gas went up 22 cents overnight. Can you believe that? What is with that? I don't know. Gas prices make me cuckoo. Anywho's, we'll leave that for another day. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, be sure to smash the thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, because this is going to be a shorty, man. This is definitely digestible for a lot of new peoples. Don't think this is our average day, because it was not a very good day. But you are going to have days like this, and I'm keeping it real. You're going to go out there sometimes, you're going to hit home runs, you're going to stack it high, you're going to weigh heavy, and then you're going to have days like this. Just beat you back down and remind you that you're not always the man. So, it's Nacho Stuff. But that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into some cash. So, until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then.